I open my eyes. I sit on the edge of the bed. I stretch my body. I walk to the bathroom. I wash my face to wake up. I take my toothpaste and my toothbrush. I put toothpaste on the brush. I brush my teeth. I rinse my mouth and spit in the sink. I put away my toothbrush and toothpaste. I take my hairbrush. I brush my hair. I put the hairbrush in the cabinet. I dry my face with a towel. I walk to the stairs. I go down the stairs. I go to the kitchen. I get everything I need for breakfast. I prepare bread with butter. I make some coffee. I boil the milk. I peel the banana. My breakfast is ready. I eat my breakfast at the table. I drink my warm coffee. I take a bite of the bread. I eat the sweet banana. I finish my breakfast. I wipe my mouth with a napkin. I pick up my plate and my cup. I walk to the kitchen sink. I turn on the water. I wash the dishes with a sponge. I dry the dishes with a cloth. The kitchen is clean again. I walk back to the stairs. I go up the stairs. I go back to my bedroom. I walk to the window. I open the curtains. I make my bed. I open my wardrobe. I choose my clothes for the day. I am ready to start my day. It is 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I feel very hungry. My stomach is making noises. I walk into the kitchen to make lunch. I wash my hands with warm water and soap. I dry my hands on a clean towel. I put on my favorite linen apron. I open the fridge. I take out a potato. I close the fridge. I put the vegetables on the counter. I turn on the tap. I wash the vegetables. The water is a little cold. I take my wooden cutting board. I put it on the kitchen table. I open the drawer to get my chef's knife. I take a small peeler. I peel the potato and the carrot. I slice the carrot into thick rounds. A piece of carrot rolls off the board. I pick it up and wash it again. I chop the potato and the zucchini into small cubes. Before we continue, tell me where you're watching from. Share in the comments what you cooked today. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. I peel the onion. I chop the onion very fast. My eyes are watering a little bit. Onions make me cry. I crush the garlic with the flat side of my knife. I walk to the stove. I turn on the heat. I put a deep iron pot on the burner. I pour a splash of olive oil into the pot. I wait for the oil to get hot. I add the chopped onion and the garlic. I listen to the sizzling sound. I stir them with a wooden spoon. The kitchen smells wonderful. I add the potato, the carrot, and the zucchini. I stir the vegetables for a few minutes. I pour 3 cups of vegetable broth into the pot. I add a pinch of salt and some black pepper. I put the lid on the pot. I lower the heat. I let the soup simmer for 20 minutes. While I wait, I wash the knife and the cutting board. A clean kitchen gives me peace of mind. The timer rings. The lunch is ready. I take off the lid. Hot steam comes out of the pot. I use a ladle to serve the soup into a bowl. I blow on the spoon because it is very hot. The soup tastes delicious. I arrive home at 10 past 7. I open the door and walk inside. I drop my work bag on the floor. I kick off my tight shoes near the entrance. My feet are killing me today. I walk to the living room. I sit on the soft sofa. I take a deep breath and look at the ceiling. I am completely wiped out. I am not in the mood to cook tonight. I take my phone and open a delivery app. I really want Mexican food. I order 2 chicken tacos and a big portion of nachos. The app says my food will arrive in 30 minutes. That is enough time to wash the day off. I walk to the bathroom. I turn on the shower. I wait for the water to get hot. Steam fills the room. I step into the warm water and close the glass door. I use a lavender body wash. I turn off the water. I wrap my wet hair in a soft towel. I wipe the fog off the mirror with my hand. I change into my coziest sweatpants and an oversized sweater. I feel like a brand new person. The intercom buzzes in the hallway. I open the front door and take the brown paper bag. I say thank you and lock the door. The smell of the spices is wonderful. Before we continue, tell me where you're watching from. Share in the comments how your day was today. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. I carry the warm bag to the living room table. I sit cross-legged on the sofa. I open the cardboard boxes. I unwrap a warm taco from the foil. I take a big bite of the crunchy shell. It is a little spicy, and it really hits the spot. I grab the remote and turn on the TV. I find a funny sitcom to watch while I eat. It is time to be a couch potato. I eat my nachos slowly and just zone out. I finish my dinner and throw the empty boxes in the trash. I go back to the bathroom. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I walk into my dark and quiet bedroom. The only light comes from my bedside lamp. I pull back the thick duvet. It is time to call it a day. I close my eyes and slowly fall asleep.